Hey everyone, I'm Johnny, product manager at Supernova, and I think that we have something to discuss because too many people are asking me why we are building another vibe coding platform in Supernova. So let's discuss. If you've been exploring vibe coding recently, you definitely have tools like Lovable, B0, Replit, Figma Make on your list. They are all impressive. But there is one big problem. They are built to help you build something from scratch. And when you're a PM or a designer in an existing company, you never start anything from scratch. You actually need to improve an existing product. And that's exactly why we have built Supernova. Let me explain in one example. Some time ago, I, as a non-technical PM, I tried to use those generic tools to build one feature, the prototype of the feature. And it looked great, it looked fantastic, it worked pretty well, it was quick to build, but it had nothing to do with our product, with our actual product. It used different navigations, different layouts, different buttons. I spent so much time and credits on making it look like our product at least. So when I wanted to share it with our design team and our customers, I always needed to mention, please ignore the look and feel, focus on the main concepts of the new feature, which completely defeated the purpose. And that's the core problem Supernova Portal solves. It doesn't generate a generic UI from a blank canvas. It actually starts with your product using your design system components, tokens, assets, icons. Everything that you upload or connect to Supernova is used for the prototyping. So the AI doesn't have to guess how your product looks like. It actually is grounded directly in your design system, so you have no struggle to generate prototypes that look exactly like your product. And the best part is that these kind of prototypes built in Supernova actually survives customer validation because they are built out of your code components and they are grounded in your product because that's what you are going to upload to Supernova at some point. So you can easily hand over to your engineers and they have much faster start when they are implementing the real feature. Plus, one more thing about positioning. Maybe you ask, but I use Cursor, I use Claude, they are grounded in our code base directly. That's all true. They are all great and they are built for technical people. And Supernova is actually in the middle of the Cursor and Claude, and on the other side, Lovable and B0 built for non-technical people, and Supernova using the best from both worlds. With Supernova, you have a full control over the prototyping sandbox. So your engineers, your design system can actually manage the whole container with all your components, templates, rules, dependencies, everything. And your non-technical people like PMs or designers can use Supernova in kind of the same way like Lovable or B0, just without any knowledge about terminal, local environment, Git, anything like that. They can just express themselves and build the great features they would like to focus on. So just to wrap up, if you're a technical guy, use Cursor, use Claude. If you have access to your Git and your company can actually give you permissions, great, you will never be closer to your product. If you are someone, for example, starting entrepreneur, use Lovable, B0 and others. They are all great for starting something from scratch. If you are a PM or a designer or an engineer in an existing company and you need to collaborate with others, use Supernova because it's grounded in your design system. It understands everything your designers already respect. I mean, the design guidelines and everything. So if you want to build something that is actually one-to-one to your product, you want to share it with your colleagues and you want them to join you while prototyping, Supernova is your choice. So let's go and try it, let us know. See you next time.